Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome to week one. We're just getting started. We're going to start out by eating a snack every single day as your challenge. With that being said, our nutrition tip is going to be, it actually only takes 7 days for your taste buds to adjust to a new food. So, for right now, there's a lot of people that don't like a lot of certain foods, and most of the time they're healthy foods. So what you don't realize though is if you ate that food for just 7 days, your taste buds will actually adjust and you won't mind that food anymore. So kind of another side challenge to eating a snack every day is maybe try to eat something that you don't normally like eating for 7 days and see by that 7th day if you don't mind it anymore. Maybe you'll even like it more. There's a lot of foods that I did not like as a kid growing up that I really like now just because I ate it more and more often and you get used to it. So try that out. It only takes 7 days for your taste buds to adjust to some kind of new flavor. And you might notice this if any of you were hop drinkers or coffee drinkers that put a lot of sugar, any kind of sugary drink. Once you quit drinking that drink for like a week or two and then you have one, it's overwhelming. The sugar is overwhelmingly, it's so sweet. And it's because your taste buds adjusted to a different food. Maybe you switched from pop to water, it wasn't getting that sugar every day. So then when you go to have it again, you're extremely sensitive. Same thing works for healthy foods. Once you start eating it, your taste buds adjust and you'll actually like it more. So try that out. That's our nutrition tip for this week. Our training tip for this week, since we're just starting out, we want you to try to get 3 workouts in a week plus. Just keep them simple, keep them short, but keep them fairly intense. You just want to minimize your rest. That'll maximize our calorie burn. So 3 good workout routines or ways to train that I like doing, especially in our boot camps, is we do what's called interval training. So you can pick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 exercises and do 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds rest for each exercise. So for example, I just wrote out this example workout. So we have burpees, push-ups, sit-ups, squats, and jumping jacks. So you can do 30 seconds of burpees, rest 15 seconds, 30 seconds of push-ups, rest 15 seconds, 30 seconds of sit-ups, so on and so forth. Or you could do what's called as many rounds as possible. So you could apply a certain amount of reps to each exercise. So for burpees, it could be 5 burpees, 10 push-ups, 15 sit-ups, 20 squats, 25 jumping jacks, and you're gonna see how many times you can do that circuit in 15 minutes. That is only 15 minutes out of your day. You're gonna get an amazing workout, get the blood pumping, you're working multiple muscle groups. It's simple, it's short, but it's intense. Okay. Now you can do a very, very similar way of doing that, what we call a workout 4 times. So maybe you write out your workout for your certain amount of reps and you're gonna do 5 rounds as fast as you can, and you're gonna test it and then track your time. So maybe you do 5 rounds and it takes you 11 minutes. So you track that. It took you 11 minutes to do 5 rounds of that circuit. Then maybe a month from now, you'll do it again and you'll see if you can complete it in a faster amount of time. Or you can see if you can do more rounds of that workout. Or maybe you add on an extra 5 seconds. So that's gonna be our training tip. Start out simple, short, intense, and then slowly build on top of it. Constantly kind of increasing or progressing with the total volume of training, which is another aspect of working out. You don't wanna just do the exact same thing all the time. You're gonna plateau, you're not gonna progress. So very, very simple way of doing it. If you were gonna do this workout, let's say once a week for 8 weeks, every week or 2, you're gonna wanna try to increase the total work being done. So maybe you add on 5 seconds, you add on a minute or 2 each time to your AMRAP, or maybe you do an extra round each week to try to get more volume in, or maybe you just increase the reps of your circuit, or you just add another exercise in. You can still do it the same amount of time or same amount of rounds if you added in an extra exercise or something like that. So that's just an example of starting out, just kind of keeping it simple, short, and intense. So hopefully these were very helpful, and we're looking forward to see you guys next week. See ya.